the Executive Governor of Adamawa State, represented by my brother, Alhaji Miji Yawa, the Commissioner for Local Governments and Chieftaincy Affairs. The Commissioner of Police, Adamawa State, represented by the Deputy Commissioner. Your Royal Highnesses, Lamid of Adamawa, represented. The Batta, Gangwari Ganye, the area of Pindiga, representative of Michael Tingo, the chairman, Adamawa Muslim Council, the special guest, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, who is on his way, and then the guest speakers for this occasion, my brother Sheikh Dr. Bala Lau, and all invited guests here. Assalamu alaikum. Let me apologize to my brother, the Amna Shele. I'm sorry, sir. I'm just overwhelmed with the attendance here, which is unprecedented. My apologies. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, esteemed leaders, honorable participants, and fellow citizens, it is my distinct honor to welcome you to the closing ceremony of the 30th Adamawa State Qur'aniic Recitation Competition, graciously hosted by Demsa local government area under the offices of Batta. We are deeply grateful for the presence of His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Adamawa State, represented, whose visionary leadership and commitment to promoting Islamic education and values have been truly inspiring. I also extend our sincere appreciation also goes to Alhaji Atiku Abubakar and the former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Our sincere appreciation and the honor of His Royal Highness, the Lamid of Adamawa, Alhaji Aliyu Mustafa, here represented, and the Chairman of Adamawa State Council of Chiefs, and His Royal Highness, the Batta. You deserve a special recognition, though I mentioned, but you deserve another recognition for this singular honor. Special recognition also goes to Alhaji Gambojika, the Chairman of Adamawa State Muslim Council, and all esteemed religious leaders. Guest speakers, Sheikh Dr. Bala Abdullahi Lau and Sheikh Dr. Jabir Mayhula have enriched this occasion with their presence. To the competitors, competition coordinators, judges, participants, organizing committee members, members of the press, and all our distinguished guests, I express my profound gratitude for your dedications and presence at this event. This event transcends competition, serving a celebration of unity, peace, and Islamic values. Its impact will resonate throughout Demsa and beyond, fostering harmony and understanding among all. Thank you for honoring our invitation. May Almighty Allah bless us all and continue to guide us in peace and prosperity. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
That was the welcome address by the Chairman Steering Committee of the 39th Adamawa State Qur'anic Recitation Competition, Demsa 2024. Alhaji Aliyu Ismail, OON, Turakin, Batta, retired Federal Permanent Secretary, Federal Ministry of Defense. Thank you very much, sir, for that inspiring speech.